Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine at your home. So, welcome back in your mathematics class. This is class 9th, chapter 4, linear equations in two variables. This is our lecture number 2. So, students, today's topic to be covered: first, graph of a linear equation in two variables. Second, equations of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. We will learn how we will draw the graph of the linear equation in some questions and application. First of all, we have to make a linear equation by itself and then draw the graph with the solution of the linear equation. Then we will learn what is the equation of the lines which is parallel to the x-axis or y-axis. So start your lecture with the questions of exercise 4.3. In exercise 4.3, first 5 questions were homework. So we will start our question number 6. The statement of the question number 6 is, if work done of a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body. It means force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body. Express in the form of the equation with the two variable and draw the graph by the same, taking the constant. When f is directly proportional to the d, when we will remove this proportionality sign, then we will take a constant of proportionality. And in this question, the constant force is given as 5 units. So f is equal to 5d. We will take f as x variable and d as y variable. So x is equal to 5y. It means x minus 5y is equal to 0. This is our linear equation in this question. Now we will find the solutions of the equation for graph. When we will put y is equal to 0, I always say that when you are going to draw the graphs, you have to put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 for the two solutions. When we will put y is equal to 0, then it means x is also 0. So the first solution is this. We know we can solve this equation like this also. When we will put y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 5. So this is also the second solution. When we will put x is equal to 5, when we will put x is equal to 5, then we will put in the value of x in equation. 5 is equal to 5x. Then here 5 is in multiplication, it will come in the division. So y is equal to 1. So the solution is 5 1. You see here we put y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 5 came. When we will put again x is equal to 5, then y is equal to 1 came. Now we will, when y is equal to 2, then x is equal to 5y, x is equal to 5 into 2, yani x is equal to 10. So the relation is 10 2. Now I am going to draw the graph of these solutions. So how we will draw? We will take x-axis, this is our y-axis. Now we will take here we will take as distance and here we will take as force, because axis is we will take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and here we have 10. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. The first solution is 0 0. So here we have first solution 0 0. Now the second solution is 5 1. When the x-axis is 5, so y is 1 5 1. When the x-axis is 10, so y-axis is 2. X-axis is 10, y-axis is 2. Then how we will draw this line? This is very easy. We will put our scale and then show this line like this. This line passes through all these 3 points to show that the work done, how we will goes. Now the next part is this. From the graph, read work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units. When the distance traveled by the body is 2 units, so the work done is 10. When the distance traveled by the body is 0, work done is also 0. Question number 7 is very easy. Question number 8. A relation is given between Fahrenheit and the Celsius. Correct. Now first part of the question is draw the graph of the linear equation using the Celsius as x-axis and Fahrenheit as the y-axis. So Fahrenheit as the y-axis, then it means, and the Celsius is x-axis. So the equation is like this. Now we will solve it very easily and find the solution first. If we will put the value of x is 5, because it is obvious, when we will put the multiples of the 5, then it is very easy to do the calculation. Otherwise you can put any value. Y is equal to 9 upon 5 into 5 plus 32, then cancel. Y is equal to 41, so solution is 541. So by this method you can find 2 or 3 solution and then you can draw the graph. It is very easy. Now part second of this equation. If the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? It means C is 30 degrees Celsius. So we will put the value of C in this equation. Here we have 30 degree plus 32. Now we have 54 plus 32, then 6 and 8. So Fahrenheit, when the Celsius is 30 degree, so the Fahrenheit is 86. Correct. Third part is same as the second part. Fourth part, if the temperature is, it means the value of C is 0, then find the value of F. It is very easy. We will take this relation, put the 0 is here, so the value of F is 32. And the next part of the question is when the Fahrenheit is 0, find the Celsius. Then we will put 0 here and then find the value of C. Now the last part of this question is fifth. Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both the Fahrenheit and the Celsius? If yes, then find it. We don't know that it is possible or not. We will take the value of Fahrenheit and the Celsius same. So yes, if we will take, yes, it is possible. So we will choose that let x is also F is also as x Fahrenheit and C is also as x Fahrenheit plus 32. So we will what we will do, we will put the same values for both the temperature scales. So we choose x. Now x minus 9 upon 5x is equal to 32. Now we will take LCM. Then it is x minus 9 upon 5x is equal to 32. Then it is 5x minus 9x upon 5 is equal to 32. Then it is minus 4x upon 5 is equal to 32. Then x is equal to 32 multiply में 4. Then we will cut it as, then this the value of the minus 40 degrees. So minus 40 degrees is a temperature which is same as at the same time of the Fahrenheit and the Celsius, it is same as minus 40 degree. Now next topic is equations of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. How we will draw the line which is parallel to x-axis and y-axis? We will learn this concept with the help of the questions of exercise 4.4. Now the first question is, give the geometrical representation of y is equal to 3 in an equation in one variable and in two variable. The question is it is in one variable and in two variable. In your exemplar, sometime this question will present in a different words. Meaning of the question is same. You can do with the same method, but the way of asking the question is different. In one variable, then they can replace this line with, they can write on number line. The meaning of both the things in one variable or number line are same, and in the two variable they can write Cartesian plane. So the meaning of these two things are same as in one variable and the two variable. Now we will start our question. How we will draw the line in one variable when it is y is equal to 3. It means the line is like this. We know it very well. Then it is y and y dash. If it is 0, it is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So now the question is y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. So this is our point. Y is equal to 3. This is our point. Now question is already done for the first part in one variable, or we can say that number line. If x is present here, then we will draw the x-axis like this only and draw the number. And the same question with the two variable. The question is y is equal to 3. First of all, we have to change this equation with the two variable. X is not there. If I will write 0 into x plus y is equal to 3. The meaning of the equation is also same now, because it is 0. When we will multiply with this, then it becomes 0 and does not affect the given question. But now this is present in the two variable. When we will put x is equal to 1 here, it does not affect the question, because 0 into 1 plus y is equal to 3. It is 0. 0 plus y is equal to 3, and then it is y is equal to 3. Then the question is again same. The y value of the y is 3. When we will put x is equal to 2, then again y is 3. When we will put x is equal to 3, then it is also y is 3. If we will put x is equal to minus 1, then it also does not affect the answer, that y should be equal to 3. Now how we will draw this line? We will take a number line. This is x, this is y, this is y dash, and this is x dash. This is our Cartesian plane. Now we will draw the points. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. The first relation is 1, 3. X-axis is 1 and the point is 3. This is our first relation, 1, 3. Now second one is when the x-axis is 2, y is 3. Then it is 2, 3. And then 3, 3. Third one is 3, 3. And then when x-axis is minus 1, then the y is also 3. This is minus 1 and 3. So now you observe that what is the result says that both the line all the points are lie on 3 y-axis, which is parallel to the x-axis. It means when the question is present in the form of y, the line should be parallel to x-axis. It means when x is equal to a given, then the line is parallel to y-axis. When y is equal to a is given, then the line parallel to x-axis. It means, again revising students, when the question is present as x is equal to something, then the line should be parallel to y-axis. When it is given y is equal to something, then the line should be parallel to x-axis. If you will solve the second question of the same exercise, the question is given like this. First of all, we have to solve it. 2x is equal to minus 9, then x is equal to minus 9 upon 2, which is equal to minus 4.5. 5. When we will draw in the first part with the one number line, then it is very easy. You can draw like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, x and x dash. Then it is -1, -2, -3, -4, and if we will produce, then it is -5. Then it means the number is present here, -4.5. Now if I will change this question with the two variables, so again x is equal to -4.5, we will introduce the y is here, then x plus 0 into y is equal to -4.5. when we will put y is equal to 1, again with the first question it becomes 0, so the value of x is -4.5. when we will put y is equal to 2, again x is -4.5. y is equal to -1, then x is equal to -4.5. then it is also very easy to draw then it is x, y, x dash and y dash. Here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Correct? Here -1, -2, -3. Now we will draw the line. When y is equal to 1, x is -4 point. Here x is this. Minus, when y is equal to 2, again x is -4.5. when x is equal to 3, again x is equal to -4.5. when y is -1, again x is -4.5. when we will draw this line, it will become like this. Now see, when the question is present, when the question was present in the x form, then the line is parallel to y-axis. So now this is your today's lecture, beta. In this lecture we will learn how we will draw the linear equations in graph, and how we will form the linear equation from the given statement, and then learn how we will draw the lines which is parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Now the homework solution of lecture number 1. Homework solutions of lecture number 1. In lecture number 1 we already discussed questions of exercise 4.1 and 4.2. in 4.3 we discussed only first question, and I gave 1 to 5 in your homework. So students, first of all I will solve you how we will solve the question number 3rd and 4th and 5th. So question number 3rd, second is very easy, you can solve it. Question number 3rd, if a point lie on 2 points lie on a graph, and the given equation is 3y is equal to ax plus 7, then find the value of a. It is very easy. The value of x and y is given. We will put the values. The value of y is 4, the value of x is 3, and then it is 12. It is 3a plus 7. when we will shift this plus 7 to here, then it is 5, and then 3 is present in the multiplication, again present in the division. Correct? This is your question number 3rd. Now question number 4th. Question number 4th is the most important question. It will come in exam in each and every year. The taxi fare means kiraya. The taxi fare in a city as follows. For the first kilometer the fare is 8 rupees. For the first kilometer the fare is 8 rupees, and for the subsequent distance it is 5 rupees per kilometer. Subsequent distance means if we want to go 10 kilometers, so the fare for the first kilometer is 8 rupees, and for the second and third, fourth, fifth kilometer it become 5 rupees each. It means 1 किलोमीटर के बाद जितने भी डिस्टेंस गए उन सब डिस्टेंस का इंडिविजुअली पर किलोमीटर 5 रुपीज़ चार्ज होगा. Taking distance covered as x and the total fare is y, write a linear equation. So x किलोमीटर एंड द टोटल जो उसने पैसे दिए वो हमें निकालने हैं, ड्रॉ करना है कि वो कितने किलोमीटर गया. करेक्ट? अब he said that total distance is x kilometer and the total payment which he gave to the taxi driver which is y rupees, the total fare of the journey. So the total fare of the journey is y rupees and the total distance travel by him is x kilometer. Correct. Now we have to make a linear equation with this information and draw the graph also. Okay. So total fare y is equal to फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए ही गेव 8 रुपीज़. फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए कितने दिए 8 रुपीज़. टोटल द रिमेनिंग किलोमीटर्स कितने किलोमीटर बचे हैं x माइनस 1 किलोमीटर. फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए ही गेव 8 रुपीज़. नाउ द रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस इज x माइनस 1 किलोमीटर एंड फॉर x माइनस 1 किलोमीटर ही हैज़ टू गिव 5 रुपीज़ फॉर द पर किलोमीटर. सो दिस इज द टोटल फेयर एंड द टोटल फेयर इज गिवन एज y रुपीज़. अंडरस्टैंड वंस अगेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए बेटा 8 रुपये दिए एंड द रिमेनिंग किलोमीटर्स कितने किलोमीटर बचे. टोटल अगर उसने x किलोमीटर ट्रैवल किया है तो x माइनस 1 किलोमीटर बचे. हर बचे हुए किलोमीटर के लिए उसने 5 रुपीज़ की पेमेंट की. सो द टोटल इज y इज इक्वल टू 8 प्लस नाउ वी विल ओपन द ब्रैकेट 5x माइनस 5 y इज इक्वल टू 8 प्लस 5 इज 13 प्लस 5x. Now y minus 5x minus 13 is equal to 0. This is also a equation. If we will take minus as common then you can say that अगर हम y को उधर ले जाएंगे then 5x minus y plus 13 is also a linear equation. Both are the correct. So this is your question number 3rd. In question number 5th students and in this question it is very easy to draw the graph. You can find the solution any 3 or 4 solutions and then draw the graph. In question number 5th you can given it's already given 2 graphs and with the 4 solution we have to find that which graph is the solution of which equation. Correct. So in the first graph, in first graph 3 points are given 0 0 minus 1 1 and 1 minus 1 and in the first question 4 options are given. We have to find the correct option. First equation we will put all these 3 points in all the equations in each and every case. In which those case these 3 points left hand side equal to right hand side, this is that one is the solution of the given graph. First is y is equal to 1. When we will put 0 0 it means 0 is equal to 0. Left hand side is equal to right hand side applied. The second one is minus 1 and 1. It means x axis is minus 1 and y axis is 1. Not equal to. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So this equation is not the solution of this graph. Now we will check second one, that x plus y is equal to 0. First is 0 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Yes, 0 0. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Minus 1 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. Again left hand side equal to right hand side. 1 minus 1. Then it is 1 plus minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 and equal. It means in all 3 cases left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is the solution of the given graph. This is the homework solution of lecture number 1. Now students, your homework. Today's maths homework. You have to do the questions of exercise 4.3 and 4.4. 4.3 the remaining all questions, it means 6 to 8 from NCERT. You have to do this homework today positively. Thank you. Have a nice day.